Hi everyone, in this video I will explain you that how can you get a virtual Microsoft internship certificate. So there are some steps which you have to follow to get certificate, as well as you will get a Microsoft badge. So all the link is provided in the description, you can check out from there. So once you have click on first link, this website will be open in front of you. What you have to do, you have to create an account here. Either you can log in with Gmail or you can log in with Google account. So here one thing you have remember, you want the name on your certificate, you have to enter that name here. So once you have login here, what you can do, you can see first that what are they providing, what courses they are providing, and what you will learn in this course. There are 6 modules in this course. Once you have completed these all 6 modules, you will get an certificate. So to start your modules, click on go to virtual internship platform now. When you click on that, this page will open in front of you. There you will see the 6 module. Click on first module and this page will be open in front of you. Here you can click here to start the task. Once you have click on this button, the next page will open in front of you. And there you have to answer some questions. Once you have answered all the questions, they are normal questions, just like when Microsoft was founded and how Microsoft work, in which domain Microsoft work. They are like basic questions. Once you have complete your first module, you will come to this page. Now click on second module. Once you have click on second module, a next page will open in front of you. There are 2 tasks in second module. Click on first one. Once you have click here, you will get a new page. Here you can study or you can watch this video. What you have to do, so there are the study material. Once you have completed this, click here to start the task. So by clicking here, what you can do, a next page will open in front of you, and here you have to submit your assignment. You have to upload a Word file here. So I have completed all these tasks. If you want my own assignments, I have completed all assignments, so you can directly upload these assignments. If you want only certification from Microsoft, if you want to get knowledge, so I will hardly suggest you that you make your own assignments. So there is a Drive file. I will provide this link also in the description. You can directly download all the modules, all the assignments from here. So what you can do, you just upload these assignments here step by steps, module by module. So once you have completed here your assignment, click on mark as complete, and when you click here, you will come back on your page. From here you have to click on second task and the process will be begin same on. Once you have completed both tasks, you will complete your second module, you come to third module. In same manner, what you have to do, you have to complete all 6 modules. Once you have completed 6 modules and you have completed your all the tasks which are given, at the last you will get a downloadable link from where you can download your certificate. So I have completed all these tasks, so I am getting this link that download your certificate and download your badge here. When I click on my badge, and one thing is that you can share it on LinkedIn as well as on Twitter. So once I click on my badge, so here I can see my badge. So once you have completed, you will also able to get your badge here and you can download it from here. There are the module which showing that which you have completed. Also you can verify this badge by clicking on verify badge, and if you want to download your certificate, you can download it as a PDF. So by clicking here, you can see that my certificate which I have got, and by clicking here you can download it. So I hope you understand that how can you get this certificate. All the links are present in the description box. Please check out from there and you will get all these links, or you can directly submit your assignments and you get certificate. I hope you get some useful information here. If yes, then like this video, share this video and subscribe to the channel. Here you get useful information related to computer science and the online certification as well as internship. See you soon in our next video. Thanks for watching this one.